How to add a logo in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your DaVinci Resolve project and go to the Edit tab from the bottom of the screen. This is where all the timeline editing happens. Make sure your timeline is ready and your main video clip is already placed. Next, locate your logo file on your computer. It's best if the logo is in PNG format with a transparent background. Now, drag and drop the logo file directly into the media pool area inside DaVinci Resolve. After that, drag the logo from the media pool onto a new video track above your main footage in the timeline. You will immediately see the logo appear in the preview window. If it's too large or not in the right place, no worries. Now, click on the logo clip in the timeline, then go to the inspector panel in the top right corner. If the inspector isn't open, click on the inspector button to activate it. Here, you can adjust the position, size, and even rotation of your logo. Use the zoom slider to resize it and the position controls to move it where you want, like the bottom corner. If you want the logo to stay on screen throughout the entire video, just stretch the logo clip in the timeline so it matches the full length of your video track. And that's it. Now you know how to add a logo in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.